We are now going to make our easy cheesy SCD crackers. It is a multi-purpose cracker that I think that you're gonna love. It's a labor of love, which I will show you in just a second. And Ming and I are gonna first shred the cheese. There's only 2 ingredients. It's cheese and almond flour. So she's gonna try to shred the cheese using a typical shredder. Can see how much cheese you got there, Dr. Ye? Ooh, a little bit.
How much do we need?
We need 2 cups. Should we use our heavy duty?
Muscle in it.
Should we use our heavy duty?
Use the heavy duty one.
Okay.
Here we go.
Let's do that. Check this out.
Whoa, that just comes out so quick.
Right? Okay, so we'll save this.
A little pile.
Perfect. All right, so we have about 2 cups of cheese. You can see this is not an exact science. And go ahead and add a little bit of almond flour and mix it up to kind of coat the cheese. You don't want to have too much almond flour, else it will not pull together. You need that cheese to hold it together. And then if you want, you can add some cayenne pepper to make it kind of more spicy.
A little kick.
Or you can add some black pepper. What would you like to add today?
Let's do a little kick.
All right. Just make sure you don't touch your eyes afterwards if you're touching cayenne pepper. So that's all you really need. The tricky part is actually making the crackers.
Sounds like it wants skill.
Yeah, it needs a little bit of practice. So you want it on kind of low heat. And I'm not used to these stoves, but you can just kind of feel, and then it's gonna melt on its own. So you're just gonna kind of put a mound, and as it melts, then you can spread it out. You can make it big for tostadas if you're gonna make, have taco night, or you can, I'll show you how to make the taco shape while it's still warm. You can make taquitos out of it. You can make tiny little mounds to make little goldfish cracker-like things, okay? And then bigger mounds for things that you're gonna shape like taquitos and tostadas, okay?
All right.
So why don't you do that corner, and then I will do
the other one.
Absolutely. So there you go.
What is it about goldfish crackers that are just so addictive?
I don't know, but I'll spend, while I'm cooking dinner and on the side I have this going, it will disappear literally. I'll have a whole cooling rack full of it, and then I look over and they're all gone because my kids just come by and grab it. So you can see this is too hot.
Ooh, okay.
This is too hot, so I'm gonna turn down this heat.
So you want it
just like it's melting here so that you can shape it. See?
Oh wow. Lacy.
Right? You don't have to, yeah, see? And then this too. And you just want to, if you're having holes right there, you can fill it in with some cheese.
It smells
and
so
then
good.
That's about all there is to it.